South Nyanza ya Nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yukuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati enda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asiko babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati ali aye chigage emerongibire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukwania gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yo akomenya segeka ayo chani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo musongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere na kwariganirie asamangana mayaye nchira yogenge nchani kwa nkoro kwa Ruth Morara Wilson Makori asenchira yebimanyiririo Ekeombe kyumu wakilishi wabasuhati omo sikedonya Dori Saburi niko kiriri bagalia ye ko bakonya aba manyibe bunge be ward ya Nyatieko ebunge ya Kitutu cha South May County ya Kisii kwa nyorobo gwenia wechinda
asama lieta ngoro gutade usunko machuke kenurkia na embrange ne sukura ne korku okenda na nyorire banyagitari bagocha bakuruso Madam Donya Toto bakorire konena rorire bakonyire mariogoye bichinda bakonyire abana bikoroto osie esabuni na igure buya sana nande nagokigu abantu baito mokoenda montebeli Madam Donya na agenderene igekeke.
Omo waziri wa mache omosike Eric Muga nigo emambe ya lero atenena asobosi bwe bunge ya Senate elikwiraneria igoro yaye.
On several occasions, Mr. Speaker, in this House, we have actually raised issues about people who have never been compensated for their land, which was utilized by either Kera, Kenha, or including SGR. And some of these people, Speaker, have never been compensated for the last 10 years. In fact, some of the parents have died, like I presented. Can we be informed whether there is a likelihood that this matter can actually be sorted out once and for all? Because these are some of the issues which we keep on postponing, and it's creating a lot of distraught amongst various people, stakeholders, and communities in the Republic. Thank you, Mr.
I think that is the standard practice in the country right now, more so in the ministry. That is the way we do it. Because after the change, the inauguration of the new constitution, the ministry stopped doing the process itself. It became the mandate of the National Land Commission, and we always engage them in case of land disputes. There was a cost on what is the outstanding amount to be paid to the PAPs in Lower Koji irrigation scheme. The outstanding balance is 128 million Kenya shillings. And we have clearly highlighted the process on how we plan to acquire that. There was a question by Honorable Mugatana on the Tana and Agri Development Agency, where there are irrigations by Honorable Onyonka on we have had issues in different projects whereby even the PAPs have passed on. And this has been a legacy challenge that has been ongoing in government. In the ministry, in case there is the person to be compensated has passed on, their next of kin is considered by the National Land Commission for compensation. That is the status as it is.
Oyo kabeire omugavana bwe county ya Meru omosubati Kawira Mwangaza nigo lero atire na sentunde ntangani gukwana buna omosu kurumo gavana umo Yakobe kwa nigatire na lera sentunde ntangani gukwana buna abasubati nigo bale ababisaba abasubati bande anene mono bali asebirogo.
The challenges are many, but so too are the opportunities. With your support, prayers, your unwavering belief in the power to change, we will overcome. Together, we will write a new chapter in history of Meru. The chapter defined by equality, progress, and hope. To my fellow leaders, both men and women, I urge you to embrace the spirit that values merit over prejudice, progress over stagnation, and unity over division. Let us work together to ensure the promise of democracy is fulfilled for all. Thank you. Destiny killers. Baraboraga especially women, I don't think God will forgive you. Nataka kusema kwa Kiswahili, wawe ni mzee wa boma, wawe ni mama wa boma, nyinyi ni wazazi wa familia. Mko pengine Mungu amewapatia watoto 12 na 11 of them ni boys, 1 is a girl. And every day ukienda nyumbani unakuta kuna makelele. Huyu mtoto msichana anachapwa na wengine. Siku ya pili pia kunakuwa na makelele. Ya tatu pia kuna makelele. Kama baba wa nyumba, kama mzazi wa hiyo familia, ndio upate pumziko, ndio moyo wako ufurahie, ndio uweze kulala kwa ile boma, ndio uweze kukula vizuri na kulala vizuri. Does it mean you sacrifice that girl so that the home iwe peaceful? Kama mzazi.
Ababisa babanyanyimbo kuru asensemo ya Taragwita niko babu atachiguni komenenya Kenya sole umugasolero.
One of the areas that we invented and of course impounded this large consignment, which has a street value of Kenya shillings 12,960,000 shillings. Pound 23 cartons of explosives, and on top of that we have also 4 drums, each 50 kilograms of cyanatides, and lastly we also impounded 2 cartons of detonating wires. These are materials which are used in mining purposes, and the only thing that the transporters are doing, they are evading to pay taxes through the customs. So even if you have the documents, ensure that whatever you have, it passes through the customs area and you pay taxes. I want to applaud the officers of this station, together with other officers from Ngao and well-wishers, Kenyans, for the good work that they are doing in our county, Migori. You can see the kind of damage which this consignment, if it had left Sibania to other areas, the kind of damage to our children, to other innocent Kenyans. So we are very much alert, and our surveillance will not be limited. Let the members of public assist the National Police Service and the Ngao team, because we work as a team, to ensure that we make sure that the suspects who are arrested, we also do a follow-up to ensure that it becomes a deterrent to others who are trying to start this kind of illegal business. Thank you very much for our neighbor, our country, Tanzania, the enforcement team. They're also working so close with our teams to ensure that such cartels do not come across to our country.
Okwabera ase enseme yuenya sole yatu yabwatwa nige kurukwa Taragwita talia Taragwita aba bisakorwa ase ensemo yo wizara yobo chanu nigo babolirie aba bisakorwa ase wizara yobo gwenya gotiga kobwata amaongo korwa ase abantu bali bakorwa lerigwa ese wizara yobo gweninya yashago se yashiba.
The same way we are championing for affordability, accessibility of other services, then also we should be able to champion for accessibility and affordability of also mental health services, because as it stands now, not many people are even aware that they need the mental services. most people can't afford the services. So you find people that could be treated or situations that could be arrested go a long way, or people even die out of them because they couldn't afford the service. They're ignorant of the mental issues or even the indicators of it.
Drivers, conductors, and even the public at large are able to take mental health seriously, and they are also able to find how they can deal with it. As per now, it's not well known where people can get help on mental health issues.
If we are able to integrate the mental health into our healthcare system, then that means it's going to be very easy for us to achieve the set target of ensuring that everyone has been covered with the current TAIFA care that we are currently having. At Thales Psychotherapy, we have been able to make great milestones in terms of integrating the care with the current systems that we already have, ensuring that everyone is not left out.
Noro omori wa mangana maya asenchira yobwenge nchani kwa nkuru kwa Ruth Morara Wilson Makori asenchira yobimanyiri tumera na chikoroga Chinsa ikomicha abono marwa basa mangana maya nenchira yobwenge.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati bwekariguri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na bwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Say your last prayer, Edna.
Sijawahi mwanamke na roho mbaya kama mama.
Nakuomba. Are you crazy? You slapped me and I will slap you again. Mwah. Now listen to me. I'll shoot. Drop your weapon.
Get Zuku